सही चालवतो अंशुल. Hi, good morning and welcome to a day in my life.
अंशुल मला झोपू दे.
I did not sleep well at all last night. There was this big ass mosquito machhar in my room. And I think so kaitri evolved das hota because I couldn't hear the mosquito like that wasn't happening. So then I was just sleeping normally and then I kept waking up to like these big ass bites everywhere. It's so frustrating and I couldn't find it when I tried to kill it. Overall, not a good night for me. It's raining. I mean, I like rain, but I feel like I can't be productive when it's raining. So when it's raining, I'm just like, theek hai. So that means today I can just like sleep all day. But then when I do that, the inner critic inside me is like, you're wasting time. Welcome to my bathroom. Sorry about the light situation. I think I don't really need to take you inside my bathroom. I can just do it outside where there's better light. So a lot of people ask me, how is your skin so glowy and so you're always glowing? It is the so I have like combination skin, so I get this natural highlight here. Especially after I've just woken up, so I will now wash my face. Pet. I'm not going to show you guys me brushing my teeth because I think that's unnecessary, but I'm going to go brush my teeth. So I don't have coffee or tea in the morning. I just don't like it that much. It kind of gives me a stomachache. And I just have warm water with lemon. Pakad! Cow ka chadtoy Anshul. In this portion of the day, Anshul मला खूप त्रास देतो. A few months ago, I wasn't really in a good place. Like I had a lot of bad things happening to me. And that's when I started reading about manifestation. I don't want to be all preachy, so I do spend some time in the morning. So the last part of my morning routine before my actual shower is watering my plants. I have a few plants in my terrace. But I mean, it's already raining, so I guess I don't have to do that today. Hi guys! So I just took a shower and I put on something cute. I wanted to feel because I was feeling so I have my trusty ring light here which I have broken for the second time. So not my trusty ring light. And then I have a shoot thingy. So my friend is coming over and we're going to. So actually a lot of this video is just going to be me talking to you from like this setting. I usually do things from my room only, so. Hi, Quinta. Hi. I'm doing a shoot today with my friend and cinematographer Prana Rajeshikar. We have fancy lights. Chalio. Coolio, chill, chulio.
Radio. Tata Motors, TCS. Communication.
Tata, goodbye. Start.
सेम टॉवेल लावा कंटिन्युटी मध्ये.
शिट मी असाच केला होता. मला आठवत नाही पण या साईडला होता का या साईडला होता.
जितेंद्र यार.
पण असं ते तेवढं चालतं.
केळं बघा केळं. केळेंद्र बघा. रेडा ए पांडू ती ही लाईट बंद कर ना.
मी ते हुपिंग करू शकते. चला ना.
आयुष्य असं ते झालं.
Lord save me. Are you a simp or are you a simpex? उगाच हसतोय because camera म्हणून तू हसतोय. What's poppin'? I finished the shoot thing that I was supposed to do. Now I'm gonna go have lunch. What will I have for lunch? Pori, bhaji, bhat, amti, koshimbir. Hi guys, so this is the time of the day when I just chill in my rocking chair. You can see me. You can't see me. You can see me. So 15 minutes I chill on that chair, and then 15 minutes I chill on this chair, which is a reclining sort of a chair. So, woo, woo. Good night. After I'm done chilling on that chair, you thought I was gonna say chill on this chair, right? No, there are only 2 chairs in my life at the moment. So now usually what do I do after lunch? I don't really do anything. So, but that's because I don't have like college going on right now or work. Then sometime, since the weather is pretty, I'll just go out onto the terrace and just take a walk and like hug the plants and look at this plant and smell the flowers, like, take pictures with the plants. I'll show you guys my favorite corner in the terrace. So you will find me chilling in this. I chill a lot. This is my corner. My mom is laughing at me. काय तुला असं होतं का की काय वाटलं होतं सायंटिस्ट होईल, ॲस्ट्रोनॉट होईल, डॉक्टर होईल आणि मी हा गाइस करते. But this is actually a really, like, it's not, I'm not saying that it's any, less than like anything else. I might make what? असं नको बघू, तुम्हाला सेल्फ कॉन्शियस करतेस. I am on the way to meet a friend. पाऊस पडतोय. अरे कसेही चालवतात मूर्ख लोक. Every 2 seconds I am getting a signal. Look at my highlighter. Whoa. Excuse me. So I'm the only one in this car, but whenever I see a police, I feel like, oh shit. But like I'm the only one. Are you supposed to? I got a red signal again. So there's this one road in Pune where I've gotten continuous green signals like a million times in my life. नहीं चाहिए. Anyway, as I said, I'm really bad with directions. Like, I've been to this place a million times, but like I still need Google Kaku to tell me where I have to go. Information that you didn't need to know, but now you know. So we're chilling in the car. We had a bunch of food, and this is my friend. Dude doesn't know how to talk. Sometimes I just like to chill in the car, even if I don't have anywhere to go, or even if I'm not driving. Just sit in the car. I can listen to whatever I want to. Sometimes this. Ganpati Bappa. So I just got back home and I have so much to do. I have to edit these 2 videos that I need to send to a brand. Then I have to do this one thing for college that needs to go out tonight. I have to edit the YouTube video that's coming out in 2 days. I also have to film an audition for this television commercial. That also needs to be done in like the next 1 hour. Doable? Anshu, kaitari funny म्हणना. Stress eating. बुधानी ब्रोज. अंशुल तू माझे वेफर्स का चोरतोय? अंशुल उचल. अंशुल.
शेवटी शिशुपाल येतो. आल्याला काय म्हणतो? युधिष्ठिरा आहे धर्मराजा. मग शिशुपाल पळायला लागला पुढे. शिशुपाल पुढे सुदर्शनचक्र मागे. ते काय सोडतंय वे त्याला?
It is 12:30 a.m. and now I'm finally done with everything that I had to do. This turned out to be a much longer day than I thought it would. I don't want to do my nighttime skincare stuff. I mean, I'm doing everything, but my skin just doesn't care right now. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna wash my face, brush my teeth and go to bed. Okay, bye guys, good night. Thank you for watching. I hope you like experiencing this day in my life. I mean, we're all just out here experiencing life, and